Gentlemen, today I'm going to talk to you a little bit about chess, the game. It's a strategic game, and I'm going to talk to you about the style I play. The style I play is called Bobby Fischer style chess. Deals with controlling these four squares here in the center of the board and having a very strong back rank, developing the knights, or the horse characters, toward the center of the board and early in the game. Forks and pins and stacking pieces. So, hope you all are well today. And here we go. I'm playing the computer on level 2. Computers, sometime in the 90s, the artificial intelligence with the computers got superseded all human experience. With Kasparov, Gary Kasparov, I think, started losing to computers. So first I'm going to move my pawn out. This is a typical move that Fischer would have made, and he right away answers with his knight. This over here is called the algebraic notation. You do not have to know how to do this, but all it's telling you is what piece moved to what square. So if there's no big letter, it's just square E4, meaning that my pawn moved from E, here's the E down here, out to E, this rank, this file, E4. And then the other set of letters and numbers is going to tell you one of the other pieces. Now, if you don't know the direction the pieces move, we can talk about that in another video, but this is a little bit advanced talk. So, just so we can kind of get the shape and the feel of what the board would look like with Fischer playing and controlling these four centers, he might do something like this. And to answer that, he might do something like that. He moves his horse in to try to pin my. Looks like he's going to try to maybe move here, and force me to move my king. He's developing horses early. Got my horses out here, brought my bishop out to here. The bishops move diagonally. This is called castling king side. The queen is on this side, and after there's no pieces in between the rook and the king, if the rook and the king have not moved at all, you can castle to one side or the other. So there's no pieces here between my king and my rook. I'm going to go ahead and castle to this side. Puts a little fortress around my king. It's a nice protection. I'm going to move my other bishop out. I'm going to move my queen up. And now what I'm going to practice is, he's going to move on that, so I'm going to go ahead and move on this piece. He's opening up the board quite a bit at this point, and now he's starting to attack. This is called the beginning of the game is over now, and we're at what they call mid-game. This is toward the middle of the game. All right, got my dub. Still seeking to attack. So I'm going to retreat my horse for a minute here and see if he goes after that pawn. See which piece. Okay. Oh boy. I'm not sure. If I move here, if I move my queen up to here and kill this pawn, his bishop will get me here. So this is a conundrum. If I move my queen here, his queen can come out and get me here. My queen will be attacked by this pawn, and your queen is worth a lot of points, so you don't want to lose her early. I could force him to lose his queen as well and see where that leaves us. Okay. So he's wanting to get his queen out. I'm going to attack his bishop. Bishops are worth 3 points. Pawns are worth 1. Let's see if I can pressure him from another direction. Okay. That's quite alright. He's going to try to castle on me. And he just lost his queen to me. And I just lost my queen to him. Okay, now I look really dumb. I made that move too quick. Well, I'm going to go ahead and start trying to advance down the board now. I'm going to start trying to pin multiple pieces and cause him to scramble. And this, my friends, is what we like to call the fianchettoed king. This gives me some different options. This causes the king to be protected, but yet be able to move down the board by moving the side pawns up one at a time, this guy up one at a time, and then moving him in out of harm's way as you kind of move down the board. He wants my other horse. I do not want to give it to him. Right now it's an equal playing field. Okay. I'm on top. I've got one extra rook. Okay, we're gonna open up this board. So we're just playing him over here. I'm using both of these two rooks here to move down the board and try to corner him and pressure him. Trying to keep pressure on that king as much as I can. Actually, you know what, let's go ahead and move these pawns up and see if we can try to advance that way. We're gonna move out here. Okay, so this should be nice. He cannot take. Oh, didn't mean to do that. Well, he just gave up his rook. Now this just goes to show you that the level we're playing at right now is not okay. So it's a stalemate. He can't move his queen, and it's basically I win, but I don't win like by a lot. That was actually very difficult. That was more difficult than I thought it was going to be. So it may, if you hit analysis, it may give you some thoughts on the game. I don't know if you run a report, if you pay for it, but like I said, this chess.com stuff is free. You can play other people. You can play people from all over the world. It's awesome, and you can grow from it. And there's all kinds of puzzles. Like if you look over here, there's daily chess. There's tournaments you can play in. There's a leaderboard. You can play live games. You get stats and awards, and you can set themes. You can make friends, and then the puzzle pieces here. This is pretty cool. It gives you regular chess puzzles, things you have to figure out. Puzzle Rush. Looks like there's a puzzle battle. I've never played that before. There's a daily puzzle, and there's solo chess where you can play against yourself. Some people like to do that. There was some cartoon that used to do that. Anyway, that's going to be all for today. Not a huge lot to say about all of that, but there you go. If you guys want to play me in chess, I would be open to setting up maybe a forum where it's just us. And yeah, hope you guys have a good evening. And hope you're being good. Miss you guys. Peace.